Now, great match again. Shakti Brothers, Tamil Nadu between NGM. Toss time. And NGM will call. And toss won the and choice court.
Won by NGM choice court.
टॉस जीतकर चॉइस कोर्ट लिया है. So starting match now. Number 9, Sathya on the attack once again. So Sathya is a great player, national player. Try to bonus running attack. NGM skipper won the toss and put call for red. Shakti Brothers, Tamil Nadu or off the mark with the bonus. Once again, fine start. एक बार फिर से बेहतरीन शुरुआत. तो both team belong from the Tamil Nadu, NGM and Shakti Brothers. And very important match for Shakti Brothers qualify. Victory must be for qualify in this match. Shakti Brothers. So Shakti Brothers are very aggressive. Maybe Saundarya, super duper. What would you say about Saundarya and Shakti Brothers and NGM also? At Odd Chitram flying in the air and couple of points, number 3 point in the edition. So score now Shakti Brothers 3 and NGM will have to open account. Number 6 Dharani, number 7 Priyadarshini, and solid catch taken by Sathya and Ahirini Suganya Priya. Good cover, corner and cover. Excellent work by the defense Shakti Brothers. So score now Shakti Brothers 4 and NGM 0. One more point addition into the Shakti Brothers. Brave girl, really no doubt about number NGM Raider on the attack. So score now 5-0 favoring Tamil Nadu. Actually both team from belong Tamil Nadu. One orange and white dress, red and white dress. NGM and yellow and blue dress team Shakti Brothers. Do or die under pressure. NGM defense corner left side. Hirini number 10 Saundarya, super work done by defense the wall of Shakti Brother. Do or die, but score now 6-0 favoring Shakti Brother. Power of Shakti. Super tackle on Saundarya on the attack. 2 defender. A big challenge for defender. Oh, Saundarya now taken. Great super tackle by NGM and off the mark in super tackle action. What a scene. Wow. Amazing scene of super tackle. NGM finally off the mark. Score now NGM 2 and Shakti Brothers 6. 4 point lead in Shakti Brother pocket. After quick break of official timeout. So score 6-2. Sathya running fast. Do or die. Once again a tough exam of Tamil Nadu. NGM Raider. Number 6 defender in a row, as same as C-Safe in English font. Flying in the air, number 6. Maybe point, yes it is. Number of 3rd point favoring NGM and do die. And one more touch point. Shakti Brothers. Score now 7-3. Shakti Brothers
Official was
4 point ahead to NGM.
Referee John Thomas from Kerala.
At
Umpire
Old
Rai
Chitram,
Daswala in court number 2.
Tamil Nadu, and Mr. Gajanand, welcome all of you once again, heartily.
Himachal
First time
Pradesh, Haryana.
my soft landing at Madurai airport. It's a part of life and very happy and healthy journey, no doubts. A big All India Open tournament.
Uncle.
What a facility, what a prize. 10 lakh first, 7 lakh second, and third and fourth for 4 lakh, and super 8, 1 lakh each prize. And top raider, best defender, and all rounder. Scooty for girls and women's Royal Enfield. It's very sensational and rare tournament. First time I saw. Sukariyan, welcome Tamil Nadu. Thank you much. Number 4th point by the 4th number defender. So score 7-4. Do or die. 3 point behind NGM at right now. Slowly coming back. One time 5-0 score, but now 7-4. 3 point behind only. 4 defender. Do or die under pressure. Saundarya one time already couple of points in super tackle. Lose that time and flying in the air, flying machine. Suddenly a return come back with the point. Number 8. Now team coach Sureshji. Great work by coaching.
Praveen Swaran. Sivanathan and Anchor Asif Swaran.
Number 6.
Nagamati third right.
So score now. Shakti Brothers 8 and NGM 4. Double score of Shakti Brothers. It's a power of Tamil Nadu. Saundarya, national player. Junior, national, sub-junior. Super work done by Shakti Brothers players, and one more point addition into the Tamil Nadu score. Now 9 and 9 number raider on the red. It's amazing scene of the numbers. 9 score of Shakti Brothers and 9 number raider on the red, but bonus came back. Number of 5th point for NGM. 9-5 का स्कोर और इसमें 4 अंक की बढ़त, मगर now goes to in double figure Shakti Brothers. So finally Shakti Brothers brings up double figure 10 and NGM on 5. Last player. Bonus open. But Shakti Brother will want to tackle and penalty maybe. Yes, it is. All out. Bonus goes to for NGM and 3 point for Shakti Brother. So score now Shakti Brothers 13 and NGM 6. 7 point lead and it's a big margin. Satya, national player with the bonus, moves on 14. So 14-7, double score. Oh, 14-6 and now 7 number point. Satya again on the attack. A sensational and crucial match and very important for Shakti Brothers side for qualify for pre-quarter. One more point addition into the Shakti Brothers on 15. And NGM on 7. 8 point lead favoring Tamil Nadu Shakti Brother. Safe return. Number 9 Satya. Number 8 Hirini. Number 6 Dharani. Number 8 Priya. Once again, 1 point. 16, 7, 11 point. Oh, big difference between these two. Solid by Priyadarshini, number 7, and good work by number 6, Dharani, and number 5, Suganya. Number 1, Priya. What a player, what a body language. Continue, score is growing of Shakti Brothers. Number 4 defender. Oh, flying in the air, but superbly tackled by NGM. Number 8 point for NGM. 8.
Sundar. Sundar.
16 का स्कोर इस समय और ओह ग्रेट बाय अहिरिनी. Superb catch. Shakti Brothers 18 and NGM on 8. 10 point behind NGM at this moment. Odd Chitram, Tamil Nadu from Mr. Gajanand. Again welcome. Number 4 defender Saundharya continue try. Number 10, a big number for Tamil.
Score 17.
18,
17, sir. 17, 8.
sorry 17, 8. And number of 9th point. Outstanding of setting. So score now 18, Shakti Brothers 9, NGM. Number 5 defender in a row, same as C-Shape. Oh, brilliant tackle by NGM. NGM comes in double figure. So score now 10, 18 and great reply by defense. Number 5, Suganya, super duper. Saundharya again on the attack. So third day of the tournament and one more point. NGM 10 and Shakti Brothers 20. Double score and 10 point big lead. The first half game is looking which type you are feel now. Important match for qualify for Shakti Brother. Safe came back. Do or die. Under pressure and solidly taken. Corner to corner. Best tackle. Do or die. So I think last moment of the first half. 21-10 score now. Super tackle on and do or die. So tough for the both side and flying in the air by Lobby way. 1 point addition. 22. Big difference. Number of 12 point.
Sundar.
Super tackle continue, but now only 2 defender. With the point came back. Number 11 NGM. So score now 23 Shakti Brothers and 10 NGM. Last player second time just passed the all out. Oh, taken superb Priyadarshini. Well done. And second time all out. Bonus goes to 4. NGM score now 11 and Shakti Brothers. And half time. So score now 26-11. So 15-point lead against NGM at Shakti Brothers team coach. So score now, Shakti Brothers 76 and NGM only 11. So 15-point big lead has in Shakti Brother pocket. Best of luck. Have a nice day.